Good morning. Welcome to Elixir Forge, a YouTube channel that is designed to help people to learn Elixir programming language through projects, through practical projects. So first of all, we are not going to start with how to do the installation of Elixir and how to learn the basics of Elixir. You can check all that out using in Elixir Mentor. So Elixir Mentor is a YouTube channel that promotes Elixir tutorial and learning of Elixir. So in this tutorial channel, you can get basics and everything you need to know about learning Elixir. So we're just going to dive into our first project. So our first project name is URL Shortener. So the description of this project is to enable enable users type in URL. The system shortens the URL and also directs the shortened format of that URL to the original URL. So what we're trying to state here is that even though the URL is shortened, it will still redirect you to your initial URL that you typed in, but it just gives you a shortened format of the URL. So today we're just going to talk about the step-by-step way to achieve this. First of all, we have to collect the original URL by creating a form. Collect the original URL by creating a form. We have to save the original URL. Return a shortened format of the URL. Return a shortened format of the URL. Then user can now type the shortened format in their browser and still redirect them to get redirected to the original URL. So by next week or the next time we meet again, we're going to now start a step-by-step code implementation of this. So we're going to first of all these are like bullet point of what we need to do in order to get this project URL Shortener to come into existence. Yes. Sorry. It's what we need to do to get the project to come into an existence. This is just this is my first Elixir tutorial, and I'm just trying to give back to the public. Yes, because I learned from so many resources. I learned from Elixir Mentor and so many other YouTube channel on how to code in Elixir, and I'm just trying to redirect back to the public for people that are trying to get into Elixir and you're just looking for a short project. We're going to start small for now. So you're just looking for a project to give you redirection of, maybe you are looking of how we're going to implement this. I need to learn how to do a form that saves information to the database or save information to an ETS table. How can I do that? So it is in this channel, this tutorial, you're going to learn this and be able to achieve that. So in this particular first tutorial, what we want to achieve. So what we want to achieve is that first we want to learn form handling, like how to input details into the form. So we are going to save in an ETS table. So we are going to learn how to save in ETS table. So we are going to learn how to use ETS, how to save in an ETS table, and we're going to learn about error handling so that our code doesn't crash when we put in the wrong URL or when something goes wrong. So please stay tuned to the channel. Thank you. I'm your girl, Ijoma Benedicta.